Right, we are back and I have a brand new battery, so hopefully we should be able to continue cutting the tiger's eye. Let's go. I don't know what was in that rock, but that was a whole heck of a lot harder to cut than the other piece of jasper that we cut before. Oh, alright, we have cut what I thought was tiger's eye into a sort of a cubist type shape. I don't know what sort of rock was in here as well, but something inside this was really hard on the grinder, and it doesn't dissipate the heat as well as quartz does. It's even worse than jasper. This is a super hot piece of rock now that I've just cut it. But yeah, just a nice little cube. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.